Hey everyone, I am back with the view fan again since this one's also for sale and I got the rig. I figured I'd test it on the rig to see what it does on the rig, to see what it draws current wise. I know this fan is rated at 0.42 amps. It's a cute little view fan that I picked up. I found at Habitat for only a few dollars. It was cheap. It was on sale too, so why not? It was on sale that weekend when I got it a while back. So I'm going to start with the factory speeds. Here's low. And it draws 0.35 amps. Okay, it's kind of a fast low. Here's medium. Sure this is weird. Weird how the current dropped on medium. I'm back down to low and it's raised to, and here's high. Weird. It's like the current drops on medium, but then it raises back up to 0.38. Interesting. Here's high at 0.38, and it's rated at 0.42 amps, so it's weird. And actually, this gives a strong breeze. I mean, this is only a 36-inch view fan, but such a strong breeze. But I want to do this, go through the sequence again. Here's high, here comes medium. Okay, and it is drawing 0.31. This is your medium. And then here's your low. Here's low, which it's going slow and it's up to 0.34. That's interesting. Quite interesting, but anyways, I'm gonna go back up to high, let it get up to high again. Let it speed up, and then I'll do spin down. Okay, not gonna have time to move stuff to do the airflow test, so I'm gonna do spin down. Okay, it's flopping between 0.39 and 0.38, but looks like it's stabled out at 0.39 amps. Here's spin down. And we're gonna do, and of course, do reverse. Let's let it spin down. Okay, it's got a longer spin down. And these are both stamped motors, by the way. This one, that last little Encon I tested just before this one. Yeah. Okay, there, I'm gonna do, this has got to be low, and it is drawing 0.31. Huh. Okay, I must not have pulled it all the way. So now I got it on low, and it is drawing 0.3435. Weird how this thing actually draws more on low than medium. Interesting. Okay, here's medium, and it is drawing 0.31, so basically the same. So yeah, it drops when I go up to medium, but then of course it draws more current on high, which I'm going to right now. Here's high, and let's see what it draws. Ah, it's starting to get wacko readings. Okay. It is, I'm getting flopping between 0.39 and 0.38. Yeah, it's kind of flopping around back and forth. So, but I'm basically getting the same reading. But I don't know if I heard some about an auxiliary power. I wonder if that has to do with it. With medium drawing less current than low does. That's just interesting. Just doesn't seem logical, so... Well, I'm just gonna spin it down. Okay. Alright, let's on to the decade box, which is this. 1, 2. Okay, it starts on 2, and it is drawing 0.09. 3, 0.13, 4, 0.17, 5, 0.21. There's 0.21 on the ammeter, and it's at 5. 6, 0.24, 7, 0.26, 8, 0.28, 9, 0.3, 10, 0.31, 0.32, 13, 0.33, 14, 0.33, 15, I'm at 0.34. Okay, that's what I get on medium, but 0.34 and 5, it's flopping at 16, 17, 0.35, 18, 35. Okay, 19, I'm at 0.36, and just for grins go to 20. I'm still at 0.36. I'm going to see if I can go over. I'm still at 0.36. 22. Okay, I've just gone over. Okay, no, I haven't gone over yet. That was the other fan that... Okay, 23, 3.37, 20, 25, 0.37, 26, 27, 28, I'm right at 38, 29, 38, 30, 31, 0.38, 32. Okay, I'm still 33, 38, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so I have maxed out and I have not hit a resonant frequency or have gone over. Here's the high switch, 0.39, so I turned it off and I get 0.38, so I'm pretty much safe on the decade box with any capacitor control. So I know I'm not going to go over with any control that you buy. Now on to the solid state after I stop it. Okay. Right at 3 o'clock with 0.1. See that? That's 3 o'clock and I'm getting 0.1. Going up a turn. 0.14. And I can't really hear much of a hum or a buzz. 0.7. Up a little more. 0.2. This would definitely pass either your small bedroom or in Dan Spiffy Newman on YouTube's his case, a church setting when you want moderately quiet. I could not hear this thing. 0.22, bring it to noon, which is straight up. 0.26, 11 o'clock. 0.3, 0.32 at 10 o'clock, at 9:30, 3.4, let's just bring it to high. And I'm drawing 0.37, just a nose hair under the 0.39 that is straight high, but that's with the solid state, so. And one last test. One last test I'm going to do is 0 to high, and I'm going to see what the inrush current is when it starts up. Okay, 0.5 is what it jumped up to, and it quickly dropped right back down to 0.39, flopping between 3.9 and 3.8, so looks like it's reading steadily at 0.39, so that's what it drops down. So it jumped up to half an amp, so this fan alone, one fan of this would be safe on any control, especially one that's rated at 1 amp total. So yeah, that's all I have for this view fan, and other than the fact that this one's also for sale. So just hit me up on my Facebook page or here on YouTube. And I'll see you next time with another fan. Thanks for watching.